Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys! So, as you can see, I'm in kind of a different location. You may not be able to tell, but I am currently up in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I am in the middle of my 1,500-mile road trip. And part of the reason why I wanted to do this trip was because I just put on these brand new bars and I wanted to really test them on how they are for long distance hauls. And so here is my long-term review of these TCMT handlebars. So if you're interested in seeing my initial thoughts and impressions and kind of install video, I'm gonna link those right up there in the corner for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and watch those as well. Make sure you go ahead and watch those at the end of this video. So if you are liking these handlebars, just so you know, I am teaming up with TCMT so that way you guys are actually able to winter a free pair of your own choosing between chrome or black and between 12 and 18 inches of rising on these handlebars for free. So how do you enter? You head over to my Instagram, which I'm gonna link right over here, I believe is that's word, or here. I'm gonna link that. My Instagram's gonna be right down there and also down in the description so you guys are able to enter for free. Go find the post. I will have it pinned at the top of my account, and make sure you follow the instructions listed below. For this long-term review, I'm gonna keep this kind of short and simple for you guys. Essentially, I am very happy with these bars. They are very well made. They're very well made in the construction and the purpose that they are built for, especially for the price point. These bars are only at about the $100 to $115 before shipping. So they are very affordable, very ergonomical as well. They really do put you in a great position, and there is some adjustability as well in the positioning of these bars. They seem to work very well. I like the aesthetic of these. I love the aggressiveness looking of them. They have a very strong stance, and the webbing is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It can throw some people off, but I do like having that little bit of something right there. Otherwise, I feel like it's just missing something. So overall, I am very happy with these bars. However, what I'm not happy with is my choice in hand grips. So I do need to get some new hand grips because my hands are just constantly slipping off of these bars. And that is something I need to figure out. I need to figure out the look I want to go with, and also what just the type of texture I need. So not only am I up here for just this small little section of a review, but I also am doing a whole bunch of trips right now. So if you are interested in that type of content and this type of content, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and make sure you ring that bell notification so you know when the next video comes out. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.